Lastly, after all the hype and teasers, beginning with that show-stopping precept concept in 2020, the Polestar 5 has now gone on sale across the globe. Revealed at the IAA Mobility Show in Munich, this electric flagship sedan takes on the world's most hyped competition, specifically the Porsche Taycan and Lucid Air. More than another electric luxury car, the Polestar 5 is a landmark for the brand in its first fully bespoke car, featuring its own standalone one-off platform, engineering prowess, and fearless design philosophy that takes it to the top of the electric performance sedan space. Made in Chongqing, China, the Polestar 5 is built atop a unique bonded aluminum platform, a departure from earlier Polestars that shared a platform with other Geely Group cars. Aside from saving weight, bonded aluminum increases chassis stiffness, providing the level of precision and driving excitement one would get in a performance EV. This approach is an acknowledgement of a promise by a conscientious engineering team in the UK, including past McLaren and Lotus experience, which contributed to delivering world-class dynamics and an honest driver's car experience. Underneath the shape-hugging aluminum bodywork is a state-of-the-art powertrain. All Polestar 5s feature a dual-motor powertrain with a newly developed in-house rear motor linked by a reduced front motor. The standard model rallies an eye-watering 748 horsepower and 559 pound-feet of torque, capable of taking the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds. Polestar 5 Performance, which is an optional mode, boosts output to 884 horsepower and 749 pound-feet, shaving time to 3.1 seconds. Both modes are capped by electronics at 155 miles per hour, maximizing performance without being overly optimized for fuel efficiency or safety. It is powered by an 800-volt nickel-manganese cobalt battery pack with an overall capacity of 112.0 kilowatt-hour, 106.0 kilowatt-hour available. Polestar's inaugural application of an 800-volt architecture. It offers extremely high charging rates of up to 350 kilowatts, allowing for a 10 to 80% recharge in 22 minutes under optimal conditions. The base trim is matched at an EPA estimate of 330 miles, with the aggressive performance model consuming 300 miles, both of which are best in class among competitors. Chassis tuning is another where the Polestar 5 shines. The base trim uses passive dampers, which have been carefully optimized for ride comfort and responsiveness. But the performance trim steps up to MagnaRide adaptive dampers for quicker response and enhanced ride quality. Braking goes to a lightweight Brembo-sourced setup with 4-piston fixed calipers and 2-piece rotors with high-performance, fade-resistant stopping power. Polestar's Nordic design philosophy is adhered to verbatim inside the car, which is minimalistic, yet filled with high-tech and material choices. An expansive 14.5-inch portrait mode central screen, powered by Google's Android Automotive OS, dominates the center of the dashboard. It provides effortless connectivity and effortless handling. The seating is 4+1 in terms of configuration, i.e., 4 can be fitted with ease and an extra 5th one as an option if needed. Eco-friendly materials, simplified lines, and carefully planned ergonomics all contribute to designing a modern, relaxing atmosphere that reflects the brand philosophy of progressive luxury. Aerodynamics have also been key in the design of the 5, now being aerodynamic with a drag coefficient of 0.24. In further maximizing airflow, Polestar has dispensed with the rear window altogether for a digital rear-view mirror system driven by the rear-facing camera. The move not only maximizes aerodynamic performance but also provides clearer vision when reversing compared to a traditional glass window. The prices place the Polestar 5 solidly in luxury. In Europe, the base trim begins at €119,900, about $140,000 USD, with the performance at €142,900, about $167,000 USD. Those are statements that this model is a halo car to best showcase the company's technological and design leadership at its finest. It is one of the biggest obstacles, however, that Polestar 5 is also available in secondary markets. With all the production sourced from China and the car having a one-off platform that isn't quite so easy to move over into other factories so readily, there are genuine barriers to selling it into the U.S. market. Current U.S. tariffs placed on Chinese-built EVs equal 100% under Biden-era policy that would be too costly for American buyers. While Polestar has localized production on other models, such as the Polestar 3 in South Carolina and Polestar 4 in South Korea, it is not necessarily feasible to do so with a low-volume flagship sedan. Polestar itself is evasive when it comes to revealing North American availability, with only the model being available for order in certain markets, with price and region to be revealed later. Meanwhile, U.S. consumers will have to wait forever or pay outrageous prices due to import tariffs. The Polestar 5, as opposed to its competitors, is a hybrid performance sophistication vehicle with a very Scandinavian personality. The Porsche Taycan, while marginally faster in base performance, is short on interior space and unadorned visual language of the Polestar. The Lucid Air, meanwhile, provides longer range at the expense of the driver-hone chassis that Polestar engineers prioritized. In a trade-off of performance, range, and refinement, the Polestar 5 comes as a well-balanced package for those who want an EV luxury vehicle that is rare and unusual. This positioning allows it to cut its own niche within a rapidly populated electric sedan market, appealing to people wanting something new and different that is neither German nor American in the traditional sense. Despite such ambiguity, the Polestar 5 is likely the most compelling electric sedan ever produced, marrying up performance, range, luxury, and distinctive Scandinavian design within a car package that will appeal to enthusiasts and early adopters. Its mix of cutting-edge tech, sound driving dynamics, and luxury interior makes it a possible bestseller of the premium EV segment. As a new alternative among the incumbent players among targeted European and other countries' buyers, it helps address the aim of Polestar to become a true player in the future of electrification.